Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to be moving on, and now we're going to touch back with regular expressions. And if you have not seen nor do you know what regular expressions are, the first video I did was episode 142, if that's helpful, if you'd like to go back and watch that and then come and watch this. So alright, I was on the fence about splitting this up. Let's just start and see how far we get. So alright, what the premise of this video is we want to be able to distinguish between the format of two different numbers. So a telephone number and a social security number. So let's think about the layout. If you're too young to know the layout of a social security number, I'll lay it out. It is a 3-digit, a dash, 2-digit, a dash, and then 4. Where a phone number is 3-3-4. And regular expression is a wonderful tool that has already been written for us, and it has a tremendous amount of use. And we are slowly going to dribble this out because it can be overwhelming. And we searched for, to be honest, I can't even remember what episode 142 was, but go back and take a peek at that because we talk about compile and match, and it's just we're going to do it one thing at a time. But if you're new here, thanks for being here, and hopefully you've seen a couple videos. But what we do here is we just do little snippets of code so it's all searchable. So alright, so this is what I was saying, is that I was on the fence about doing this in two videos. So I'm going to randomly generate these. So I thought that might be a pretty good video to do this. Alright, we're going to do Social Security, and then alright, so the layout of this is dash, then let's copy, paste. So alright, this is Social Security number, so it's 3, and we want this to have any padding of zeros if the random number that we're about to do is only a 1 or 2 digit number. So alright, and digit, 0, 2 social D, and dash 0, 4 digit, and we don't need this one, so let's close this out. Dot format. Now this is going to look weird at first, but if you think about it, everything, and also if you're new here, everything that we do that is not discussed explicitly, there's a video on it. So alright, this is string format. I did not grab the episode number. So alright, we're going to do randint, then, so if this is a 3-digit number, it's 0 through 999, excuse me. Then let's copy this, and this one is only 99. Let's bring this back over some more, and paste, and so on. So alright, and I need another 4. Oh no, I'm good, I got it all. So alright, now let's do phone return, and this is basically going to be the exact same except copy, oops. So okay, phone number is 3, 3, and 4. So alright, let's save this and make sure we did it right, and see if I social, okay, 3, 2, 4, and then phone 3, 3, 4. Alright, so cool. Alright, so we have our generator here. Let's just do 20 numbers. So alright, nums Okay, for I in range 20. And if you are here, and if you are new here and you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. What I'm about to do right here is about the only new thing that I have not stated explicitly. So all right, let's do this now. This is one Python trick that I don't believe I've covered, because I'm about to do it right here. All right, so in Python, 0 is false. Anything larger than 0 is true. So true, and then 1 equals true, true. So what I'm about to do here is going to make a decision, randomly choose to run this one or run this one. So not only do we get random numbers, we then get random amounts of either phone numbers or social security numbers. So then we can do this and really test to see if we're doing this right. So all right, if and int 0 1. So what I'm doing here is I'm saying pick either 1 or 0. So if this is true, call social, or else call phone. That's it. So if this is true, do this. So if it's 1, do this. If it's 0, do this. But we want to add this to our list so we can go through it. So, all right. Nums.append and nums.append. But I think what I was saying is, if you are new here, we have videos coming out every single day, so make sure you're clicking the subscribe and the notification bell. So all right, so we have our for loop to test and randomly generate either a social security number or a phone number. So now that's that. Now on to the regular expression, and this didn't take too long. So all right, so hang in there with me. So all right, if we're going to check one, and we either have a list of, now at a later time we can do one explicitly for social security numbers and phone numbers, but if we have a list of either socials or phone numbers, all we got to do is come up with one for one of them, correct? So all right, this is where it's weird. Compile. So go back and look at episode 142 and then come here, because I'm already like 8 minutes in. So okay, this is where it gets goofy. So all right, 3-digit number, well, 3-digit character, then copy, paste, backspace. So all right, compile, close that out. This isn't all the way done. So now it's saying there's going to be, we want this for the social. So 3, 2, and 4. So all right, this isn't done. So now this is what you're saying. You want to check for a pattern of these characters. But right now, there's a little bit more to it. This is the quantity. Now you have to explicitly state what type of character. And lo and behold, we want 0 through 9 checked. That's all we're looking for. So paste and paste. So I want 3, because we are looking for just social security numbers. So it has to be explicit. So a quantity of numbers 0 through 9, then a 2 quantity, so a dash, then a quantity of 2, 0 through 9, a dash, number 0 through 9, quantity of 4. So all right, let's just do our loop, and then we will wrap this up. For I in nums, and we're going to do, nope, sorry. So now we have to check if social, because we have our information. This is going to be checking. So now if it matches, match I. So if these are gonna match and match this pattern, then do this. So print social security number. That's the one 324. Yeah, social security number. Format, then I, and print, else, print, because again, we're only having a test for one, right? So if it's not one, it's the other. Again, we're doing that, we're dribbling this out. So phone, and what I forget, phone number, format, I, and close this out. So all right, let's run this and see how we did. Okay, so all right, social security number, and we can also just check nums, and here we go. So we got quantity 20. Looks like, lo and behold, we did our tests pretty well. So social security numbers grabbed 3, 2, 4. Phone numbers grabbed 3, 3, and 4. So all right, this is just one more little piece of regular expressions, and numbers are a awesome little segue, and they're easier to grab. We're going to slowly start doing more and more, but we're going to revisit, extend, revisit, extend, revisit, extend. But if you're not quite sure, go back and look at episode 142, and then this is the only other little trick that's new in here. Everything else, all this, has been touched on. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.